Hey everyone, welcome back to another drawing session with me, Callum. And as it's getting close to Christmas, I thought I'd do a bit of a Christmassy video. So we're going to draw a picture of the Grinch and his dog, Max. So you need to get your green colored pencils, your brown colored pencils, your grey lead pencils, and your textures ready, and let's go. Alright, so we're going to start off by drawing Max's head. And Max's head is going to be right down the bottom of our page, right down here. I'm going to start off by doing kind of his nose and mouth. A little, almost a circle, not quite, down here at the bottom of the page. His nose is up here. Just like that. Another little oval. And his mouth kind of goes off the paper. So his cheeks there. His mouth sort of goes down in a bit of a smile. Looks like he's smiling, but not quite on the page. Now I'm going to do the top of his head. It comes out like this. Goes around. His ears come off the side. Like that. 1. And 2. Now he's got a little bit of a tuft of hair at the top, which comes up like this. Just like that. Now we're going to draw the antler because Max has been dressed up by the Grinch like a reindeer. So the antler starts up here to a little oval at the side, a line going down and across, and then up, like that, and then comes down, then up again, a little circle at the top there, and then down and around. Doesn't have to look exactly like this, and then joins back up to that circle again. So it kind of comes around like this. Almost like he's got a stick. And we're going to do a little bows on the top because the Grinch, he's just tied that onto the top of Max's head. Now I'm going to do Max's eyes. Now his eyes are kind of like circles. Kind of come out from behind his nose. Just there like that. Very good. And then we'll do the dots of his eyes. 1 and 2. Very nice. Alright, so now we've got Max's head finished. We can pull our paper down just a little bit. I'm going to draw the Grinch's head just in here. Now the Grinch has an interesting shaped head, and we're going to draw it by doing something a bit like this. Almost like a rounded sort of square shape. And it's going to be behind Max. So we're not going to see all of his face. But he's got this kind of shape to him. See that shape? Yep. Well done. Now we're going to do the top of his head. Sort of comes out from almost halfway up those sides. Like that. Goes over. Not quite that high. About there. Just like that. Next we're going to draw the eyes. Now the eyes are right there. You don't have to draw this cross, this is just for me. So we're going to start by drawing a bit of an oval. Then do the eyebrow, kind of cuts through the oval a bit. And out to the side. He's looking a bit angry. This Grinch is. He mustn't be happy because everyone's celebrating Christmas. And I'm going to draw his little eye in there. Then the next one. Again, we'll do another little kind of oval shape. Then the eyebrow kind of comes out. He's really not happy, this Grinch. Yeah. There we go. There's his eye. Now his nose, it's almost like a bit like a button. Right down here, just underneath the eyes. A bit like a circle. With two little bits cut out. So I think draw a circle and cut two little bits out of it. And he's not very happy, so he's going to have a bit of a frown. So draw his mouth, a bit unhappy, like that. And because it's Christmassy, we're going to draw a Christmas hat on our Grinch. And our Grinch's hat is going to look a bit like this. A bit like a cloud. Kind of behind the antler there. And the Grinch is really hairy. So all of his face is kind of like hair. So I've got to draw, it's the hair coming off the side. A bit like that. Alright. Now it's going to finish off his Christmas hat. It comes out to the top. And then back down again to his bauble on the end of his hat. Then up the side here. Do a little curved shape there. And then back in. And join it up. There we go. So we have our drawing of Max and the Grinch. Now it's time for me to get my textures out and then do some colouring in. Alright, let's go. And there we go. There's a picture of the Grinch and Max. I hope you all enjoyed that, and I hope you have a great Christmas and a happy holidays.